And then all the buttons, they go, all the snaps.
Oh yeah. Look at that. If I buy a bunch, would you do a bundle deal? We're at the flea market today, and this guy had a U-Haul truck, unloaded a ton of boxes, and he had no idea what was in the boxes. So hopefully we could find something good here. All these records are brand new, sealed. You have Star Trek, Star Wars, Gremlins. They don't sell for much, but we should get about $5 to $10 a piece for these. How much you have on these?
I do 10 for all.
10 for all of them?
Yeah, I had.
I don't know. How about this? Yeah. Seems funky.
What are these?
They are vintage Disney.
Disney golf balls.
Yeah. Golf balls.
Unused.
That's interesting.
It is. Yes, got them when she was a kid.
And never used them?
Never used them.
I can tell.
Like, oh, where did I get these? I think my dad gave me those.
You guys have a good. Oh, that's cool. That coca-cola.
Yes, I do like this quite a lot.
Is there anything on the back of it?
And just the tag.
Oh, the tag.
Yeah, and then all the buttons, they go, all the snaps.
Oh yeah. Any idea the year of this?
83.
Pretty new.
Mid 80s. I'm gonna say
That's cool.
mid 80s. It's mine, but I was a little younger then.
You were young then.
That's interesting.
Yeah. My mom had a pair. They're like jeans, but they were red and white. Bell bottom that had coca-cola all over.
That's actually it's
ridiculous.
She was asking $50 for the jacket. That's right around retail. Believe it or not, these actually don't sell for as much as you think they would. They usually average between $25 to $40. I will do. I say this over and over again, the flea market is wild. You never know what you're going to find. This whole table is full of taxidermy, bats, and spiders, and skulls. It's crazy out here. The old ephemera.
Yeah, they're good. And the middle tastes like Oreo.
I love digging through boxes of ephemera, especially when they have old photographs in there. What you really want to look for when you're digging through these boxes is its content is king. I'm looking for certain things when I'm digging through photos. We're looking for cars, pets, landmarks, military things, special events, anything that would really stand out. Excuse me, what do you have on the Disney stuff here?
On that?
How much are those?
I'll do like $10 a piece. Huh?
$10 a piece of them. Okay.
There's a signed one. Mickey Mouse is signed.
Gotcha. Okay.
I went to Comic-Con.
Got a lot of cool stuff, man.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, look at this.
That's old.
Yeah.
This is even older.
I think it's still in the package though.
Yeah, that's
the appeal to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. I like that. Look at that. It's like stuck together. It's water damage. Scooby-Doo. How much are these?
I think $3
$3 a piece. Superman. What do you have on this? Five. Is that supposed to be Eric Dickerson? 28. I think he played for the. I mean, I know he played for the Rams, but number 28. I think it's Dickerson. Eric Dickerson. What number is Eric Dickerson? He was 29. It's 28, okay. Eric Dickerson holds the NFL rushing record. His record was almost beat this year, so he was all over the news. So I thought this would have been a great pickup if it was him. Unfortunately, it was a generic version that made just look just like him. Yeah, but I bought a bunch of your Mad stuff last time. Mad magazines and...
Oh, yeah. These, last time I was out here, some guy bought them all.
Yeah. What do you have on these?
I've been getting $3 each.
$3 each.
I mean, I'd sell them cheaper if you buy more.
What do you asking for them all?
For all of them?
See condition they're in.
Do $60.
$60.
That's, I don't know. It's probably quite a few there.
Yeah. Before we had all the true crime TV shows and podcasts, they had these detective magazines. It ran from the 1920s all the way through the mid-90s. When you get to the 60s, 70s, and 80s, a lot of these magazines switched to more of a true crime aspect, focused on sensationalizing sexual content, as you can tell by the certain theme in all these covers here. These magazines can sell anywhere from like $10 to $25 a piece, depending on the cover. These end up having some damage to them, so I decided to end up passing. But if you guys do see these, you might want to pick them up in the future. What we got here? How much are your games?
5 each.
5 each. Minecraft. On a little side note for you guys, Sonic 3 is in theaters right now. Sonic and Sega stuff has been selling really, really well for me and selling for a premium. So if you guys do have any, get it listed immediately. Would you do 3 for 10?
Sure.
All right, take these top 3 here. There you go, $10. Thank you. Hello.
Morning.
Morning. The wind picked up and got extremely windy at this moment. She said that she was asking $5 each per pin. So I want to dig through this box, kind of see what she has and see how many pins we're going to end up getting.
These are from the Disney store collection.
Yeah.
I tell everybody $5 each unless you want to make an offer for all of them.
This pin is limited to 3,000. It's from a series called Atlas. Usually sell for about $25 to $30. Is this part of your personal collection, a lot of these from?
Yeah. Can you tell? Like, okay. It's time. I still have a lot more at home.
Do you?
I do. I have some signed as well.
Gotcha. You gotta be careful with Disney pins. There's a lot of counterfeit pins out there. So one thing I always like to do when I come across collections like this, I like to ask questions. What's the backstory? Where did they come from?
They had it there.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
If I buy a bunch, would you do a bundle deal?
Oh, $5 each.
No, $5 each, okay.
Yeah. Unless you want to buy this one as a bundle.
I'll just make a little stack then. Just a couple.
Okay.
Groundhog's Day.
And I also have license plate. This is the pin collection.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it was $10.
It's $10?
Mm-hmm.
Is this another one? How much is that one?
How much is your pin set?
$2.
I'll take that. What is this one?
That's from 2000.
Yeah.
The watch. Somebody shut the watch.
Yeah, no, he saw the watch.
Oh, I know it's no, put it back down. Oh, that's all.
And then I have this. This is the buttons that they had. And there's a few pins in.
Like regular Disney pins?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Not surprised.
Is that a mystery bag of buttons?
Yep.
I have sold this pin in the past for about 15 bucks, so I'm going to grab that one as well. No, I think you said 15. When you come across pins out in the wild, one thing I always look for in Disney pins, if you flip over the backside, you want to look for cast exclusives, limited edition pins, special events. Those pins usually bring a premium.
There are three buttons in there. Here too. Real pins, not buttons.
Gotcha.
How do you like your camera?
I like it. Right there.
You're like the second or third person I've seen with it.
It's probably my buddies. This is cool. The spinner.
Yeah,
You go on any Disney cruises before?
I did. I went on the inaugural one in 1996, 98, 97, whenever that was.
What is this one?
That one is actually from Disney Quest. When we first opened up Disney Quest,
Oh.
which no longer exists.
Yeah. That's interesting. How much are your cars?
The cars are $10.
$10. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I got 12 regular pens, and then your one pin set, and then I owe you $2.
I gave it the $2.
Oh, you gave it-
You can just put
okay.
it in the 10.
Yep. So 72 total.
One of you good math. So, okay.
There's 12 at 5. That one's 10, right?
Yep.
And that's 2, so 72.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
because I did not come with one.
Do you need bag or are you good?
Do you need that?
Yes, please, if you don't mind. Yeah, I don't know. I want these ones.
They're official. Some of them actually kind of cute, actually. Corella. I have all of them in the 80s, like the 10.
Yeah.
See, each 10 is from a different era.
Yeah.
I don't have a complete set, that's
Yeah.
why they're... Got the bags for 15.
Yeah, I know. You're tempting me. I don't know if I wanted to do these or not. If we did a bundle deal for these, what were you thinking?
50.
50? How many are there total, do you know?
What's that?
Jimmy, there here are total?
For me, I have 30 of them in here. 32, somewhere thereabouts.
Okay.
They were in order.
Like I have a couple of these already.
Uh-huh.
So I'm familiar with that one.
These are the first part of the first 10.
Yeah.
See, this is pin 3.
Yeah.
There was 10 that at the countdown, and 10 of them were all from Mickey, the
Yeah.
first ones. And then you have, they go farther back.
So you're asking 50 for the container?
Yep. It'll still be here. You sure?
Yeah. Are you talking me out of buying it?
No, it's up to you.
Yeah,
I
I'll
mean,
buy it. Oh, but do I
I
get?
could get more individuals, that's for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah. I'll put it.
There you go. Yep.
These Disney pins are from the Disney store, a series called A Countdown to Millennium. They're lower end pins, but they'll be great for my whatnots when I run on every Tuesday night. Thank you. And
Quite
thank you.
welcome. Enjoy.
All right, appreciate it. You always hear me in my videos talk about how the flea market is the Wild West. You never know what you're going to find or come across, such as those taxidermy items. There was bats, tarantulas, birds. You guys got to be very careful buying that stuff to resell. Every state has their own laws, so be very careful. If you guys do come across that and think that you can make good money, look into your own state laws before you purchase that stuff. I love that Coca-Cola jacket. I wish I could have bought that Coca-Cola jacket, but one thing you guys to keep in mind is when you guys see really cool items, just because they're cool, it doesn't mean they're going to be very valuable. I thought that jean jacket probably would have been worth a lot more than what it was going for. She wanted $50, which I thought was going to be a great deal. After doing further research, they're only selling for about $25 to $40. So that was about around retail. But for me to buy it to flip, it just wasn't worth the money. So just be careful. You guys don't get caught up in how cool an item is. I almost bought that jean jacket because I just thought it was really interesting and a cool item. As for those Disney pins, I know enough to get myself in trouble. You guys know that I run Whatnot shows almost a weekly basis selling Disney pins. I am about an hour or so from Orlando, so I come across Disney stuff more than a normal person would. I've done a lot of research, so I'm no expert, but I know kind of what to look out for. and ask the right questions. So when you guys do come across Disney pins, be very careful. A public disclaimer here, if you go on Amazon and you search Disney pins, you can buy massive lots of them. There's a lot of fake pins out there. So be very careful when you do come up to giant lots at flea markets to make sure that they're legit. I had a good feeling that these pins were legit based on the type of pin she had. She had those limited edition pins, and I've sold those in the past. I know that they are legit. So when I see collections that have stuff like that in it, they're very rare and one-off pins. That makes I feel more comfortable with the collections. Knowing the backstory as well also helps out. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. I am starting to clear out my inventory starting next week. I'll be live on Dibbit. I'll put a link down in the description down below here. If you guys want to come hang out, if you guys aren't familiar with Dibbit, that is Commonwealth Picker, ADH Dave, and Carrie American Arbitrage. That's their platform. It's on District. It's a great platform to sell. I'm going to start selling all my stuff off at $1. I need to blow out my storage in my inventory here. So come hang out with me next week. I'll be doing a couple lives throughout the week. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.